See here, good everyone. The diagonal of a cube is 16 root 3 centimeter. Find its surface area and volume. Find its surface area and volume. See here, given diagonal of a cube 16 root 3 centimeter. 16 root 3 centimeter. So diagonal of cube. See, cube is a 3-dimensional figure. It is 3-dimensional figure. So here, diagonal of a cube. Diagonal of a cube. In square, all sides are equal. All sides are equal. All sides are equal. So it is a diagonal for square. It is a diagonal for square. So here also diagonals will be there. So in cube, all sides are equal. That we know. See here. Square, suppose it be A, B, C, D is there. A, B, C, D is there. So, in A, B, C, D square, A, B, C, D is a square. Then, hypotenuse is what here? Here it is a right angle. Okay? Means AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Means AC square is equal to AB square. Means A square plus A square. 2A square. It is in 2D. It is in 2D. So here, whereas come to in cube, there will be length, breadth and height. Okay, maybe all sides all are equal. Then here, come to square, what is AC? Under root 2A square. Here only length and breadth will be there, only two sides, means length and breadth will be there. Here it is in 3D figure. So here, diagonal of a cube means diagonal of a cube is under root of A square plus A square plus A square. That is root 3A square. That is root 3A. Here root 2A in the case of square. In the case of cube here, root 3A means A square plus A square plus A square. So length, breadth, height also we can say, but all sides are equal. So A square plus A square plus A square. So root 3A is the formula for diagonal of a cube. Why I explained this one is it is easy to understand. That's why I explained about square. So now this they give root 3A, otherwise A into root 3, 16 root 3 centimeters they give. So root 3 will get cancelled. Means A is equal to 16 centimeter. A is equal to 16 centimeter. What they are asking? Surface area. How many surfaces will be there? 6 surfaces will be there in the cube. Okay. So surface area formula. Surface area formula 6A square. Where A is side means 6 into 16 square, that is 6 into 256. 6 is a 36. 6 is a 36. See now, 6 is a 36. 6 minus 30, 30 and carry 33. 6 2 is 12, carry 3 means 15, 36. Surface area. They give centimeter, so centimeter square. Surface area 1536 centimeters square. What they asked in the question again? Volume. Surface area part is over. So volume. So volume means volume. Volume of a cube is a cube. That is side cube. What is side here? Just now we got na 16 centimeter. That is 16 into 16 into 16. 256 into 16. So 256 into 16. Here volume length into breadth into height. So here centimeter cube, cubic centimeter. So now you see here 16 6 96. Now again 16 5 80. 80 plus 9 89. 16 2 16 6 96. 16 5 80. 80 plus 9 89. 16 2 32. 32 plus 8 40 means so 4096 centimeter cubic centimeter. It is volume of cube. What they give? Once again I will explain. See, the diagonal of a cube they give 16 √3 centimeter. Find its surface area and volume. See, diagonal of a cube 16 √3 centimeter they give. Diagonal of a cube formula is √3a. So √3a they give 16 √3 centimeter. √3 will get cancelled. A is equals to 16 centimeter. So now we know edge of a cube. So means 16 centimeter. Surface area of a cube is 6a square. Surface area of a cube. 6a square means 6 into a is 16 centimeter. 16 square. That is 1536 centimeter square. That is surface area. Okay. Volume of a cube. Volume of a cube. That is a cube. That is 16 into 16 into 16. 16 is 256 into 16. That is 4096 centimeter cube. Centimeter cube.